In this video, we're going to talk about the differences in constructions that use nравится and constructions that use любить. And it is important to note that these two verbs are more or less equivalent in meaning. Любить is stronger because it has that sense of to love, whereas nравится is to like. But they're more or less interchangeable. There's just a bit of a degree of intensity in terms of the liking if you use любить rather than nравится. However, as you are aware, the structures that we use with each of these two verbs are really quite different. And so let's start with любить, which is more familiar, and it follows a more typical English word order. Я люблю эту книгу, I like or love this book, depending on how you want to translate it, where here the person who likes the book is the subject of the sentence, and the book, the thing that is liked, is the direct object of the sentence. That makes sense. This is what we expect. But then you need to contrast it with this construction, мне нравится эта книга, where clearly here the book, which is the thing that is liked, is not in the accusative case. It's not the direct object. And that is because we can literally translate this sentence in English as to me is pleasing this book. Or if we change the word order around to make it more natural English, this book is pleasing to me, then it becomes clear that the book is the subject of the sentence and the book is the thing that is pleasing is pleasing to the person here, to me in this case. So it's kind of an impersonal sentence. Мне нравится эта книга. And just to contrast the two, again, just to kind of put them all in one place, любить is a personal construction, which means that there is a specified subject, and in the case of Russian, the subject, the logical subject of the sentence is also the grammatical subject. And so what I mean by that is the logical subject is the person who likes the book or likes whatever thing is being liked. That's the logical subject. That makes sense. The grammatical subject is the thing that is in the nominative case. And then the thing that is liked will become the direct objects. So this is a typical, normal way to construct sentences in all languages. Я люблю эту книгу. Нравится is a typical Russian sentence. It seems really strange from the standpoint of English. It's an impersonal construction. There is a specified subject. However, that specified subject is not the grammatical subject of the sentence. So the person who likes the object now is not the subject anymore. Instead, the thing that is liked is the subject. And the person who does the liking goes into the dative case. Мне нравится эта книга. So just be aware that while the sentences may mean more or less the same thing, the way we construct the sentences is quite different.